Okay, so we already solved this one to mount our projector. This is part to attach ceiling, and then this one is of course to our projector. Now the problem is this one. Okay, our projector has, see, look, two available screws to attach or to lock to hold our projector, but the other one here is just something hold. So we tried to squeeze this one to open, but there is nothing inside. So how these two screws holds our projector? So we need to solve this today with our friend here. Okay, this is sometimes our challenge, huh? The brand here is Startecom, and our projector is Infocus. So we'll see, guys, how we can solve this problem today. It's more than what, pandemic. Okay, so we'll try, guys. See you later. Okay, guys, now we're trying to figure out the problem here. See, where's that one? Dai? Here, this one is rubberized, right? Yeah. It's rubberized, so it's easy to squeeze, guys. So actually, looks like triangle, na? See, look. Gila, gunito daw di abis kanto like this. That one. Then the other one, that one. See, supposed to be this side, of course, also rubberized for screw. But see, look, I tried to squeeze, guys. Nothing in here. So where's that one? Where's that? Oh, there. See? So I forced it. Then that's the result. No screw inside. So guys, I don't know, guys. Okay, so let's see. So there. It's now ready, but the only problem is this one. Problem here is the screw is very short, so we're going to grind the panel. So when we cut it a little bit, then the screw, of course, will fit to projector jack. So we'll see, guys. Now guys, we solved this one. So at first, no screw. Logitech. Logitech camera. And then our projector here. na, dahil